Cross paths with someone to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our relationship related idiom today is to cross someone's path or to cross paths with someone. This has been used since the early 1600s. So it's a very old idiom. And originally it meant to obstruct or to thwart someone in something that they were trying to do. It doesn't really necessarily mean that today. Today it means more we cross people's paths, we meet them, we encounter them, we interact with them, we're in the same place at the same time. And a lot of times it's more of a coincidence, or it feels unexpected than that somebody's trying to obstruct us or prevent us from doing something that we want to do in terms of crossing someone or crossing someone's path. Now, I found a really cool article on notsalmon.com about, and I guess I like the article because it reinforces one of my personal beliefs that everybody in our life that we meet, the good, the bad, and the ugly, including us sometimes in certain situations, is for a reason. And so this article talked about 6 different types of people or categories of people or roles that they play in our lives and why we meet them along this journey of ours called life. And so I thought that was a fun thing to share today, the 6 different types of people that we meet along the way that prove to us that everybody that comes into our life for a reason. I like to believe that everything that happens in our life, again, the good, the bad, and the ugly, happens for a reason. It's either to teach us something or show us something about ourselves or show us a direction and a path to not take. But that's why I like this article. So what are these 6 different types of people that come into our life and cross paths with us for a reason? Number 1, some people come into our life and they're bridges. Just like a bridge that goes over a body of water or connects 2 things, they come into our life in order to connect us to something else or to bridge the gap in time or to be a placeholder in terms of us waiting for something, some other opportunity, or to meet a different person that's the right person for us, etc. The second type are the roadblocks, the obstructors, the challengers, but these people really come into our life to redirect us, right? If you have a really bad boss, they show you what type of a leader not to be. If you have and get involved in a negative relationship or the wrong person, or you love someone and they don't love you back, that feels like a roadblock, but it's really redirecting you to what is right for you. The third type of person that's proof that people come into our lives for a reason are called assignments and teachers. Sometimes they're actual teachers. Oftentimes, they're people that we learn lessons from or people that guide us and teach us to learn different lessons. The next category are angels, and angels to me are my family, my relatives that are very supportive and are just in my life no matter what. No matter what happens to us, the highs and the lows, they're with us throughout our whole life. And sometimes angels just come into our life for a small period of time. And, anyone can be an angel. The stranger that helps you when you fall off your bike could be an angel that enters your life. The 5th type of people are guideposts. These are the people that show us that we are moving in the right direction. I think of some of the mentors that I've had and some of the coaches I've had, and they were incredible guides and guideposts to help me shortcut my path to where I wanted to be. And finally, the 6th group of people is our tribe, our people, the people that are here for us, the people we serve, the people we interact with, the people that we are meant to have an impact on. So I really like this article. I've never read anything from Not Salmon before that I remember, but I thought it was a really good article. And again, we like things that reinforce our beliefs. And since this reinforces my belief that we do cross paths with people for a reason, even the negative experiences we have in our life are meant to teach us or show us something, just like the people that we come in contact with. So I'd love to hear a story about a crossing paths with someone that was fortuitous for you. I mean, we could talk about the bad things, but those are all to me just lessons that we need to learn, or how to not be examples of bad examples. But if you've got a great story about crossing someone's path, maybe a chance encounter, maybe you met an angel investor, or maybe you met the person that you fell in love with and is your life partner and your business partner as well. Whatever, share in the comments below. But think about this and think about the interactions that you've had in your life and how often we cross paths with people. And even though it might seem like a random occurrence, I think there's a grander plan and that we meet people for a reason. All right, have an awesome day. I will be with you tomorrow with another relationship related idiom. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow.